So please welcome Mr. Saidullah. He is a Maulana and teacher, has been engaged in several dialogue with Myanmar, ASEAN, and others Rohingya crisis, working toward resolution through the diplomacy. Please welcome to the stage.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wa tu'izzu man tasha wa tuzillu man tasha biyadikal khair innaka ala kulli shay'in qadir. Ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I would like to express my thanks to the Bangladesh government and its people for sheltering 1.3 million forcibly displaced Myanmar nationals. Especially thanks this program organizer for on Rohingya issue. There is no secret about the Rohingya. Who are Rohingya? Where are Rohingya from? Everyone knows that. First, I would like to tell about the first wave of genocide on 2017. In 2017, the Myanmar security forces and Buddhist extremists violence crimes on us means this is the first wave of genocide on Rohingya. Its results, 10,000 Rohingya were killed and selected. 108,000 women and girls were raped and gang raped in front of parents, in front of husbands. The children were selected in front of parents, in front of relatives, and thrown onto the fire. Now, 8 years, what will change the world? It is my question from the world community. We are still suffering inside the refugee camps, but we did not see anything still for our sustainable, dignified return to our ancestral homeland of Arakan. In 2024, there are second wave of genocide by the Rakhine rebel group Arakan Army. The result